How to fix Google Authenticator app not showing code. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Google Authenticator application on your device and make sure that you are signed in to the account where you want to receive the code in. And if not, tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen and further tap on the account you want to log into from the available options. And if you want to add a whole new account, then tap on the Add a New Account option there and enter your account's login credentials. Once signed in to that particular account, you should be able to see the codes, and if the code is still not available, open App Store and tap on the search bar there and search for Google Authenticator. Make sure the app is updated to its latest version for the app to function smoothly, and if not, then go ahead and update the app further. See if the issue is fixed or not, and if not, restart the app along with your device. Simply force quit Google Authenticator along with all the apps running in the background and further restart your device, as restarting the device fixes majority of minor issues on your iPhone. So this is how you can fix Google Authenticator app not showing code. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.